Yes, come on.
Yes, come on.
Come on.
Come on, Mary. Oh, amazing.
Bounce with it, just bounce with it. Everybody wanna come, I'm announcing it. I'm always gon' get it, I'm always gon' get it. Even if you sit back denouncing it. But I'm a good kid, I rock gold, I'm never gon' sleep with ya. I loved you, I've been wrong, but let me see the whole damn picture. But damn, I got it. Super when he popped it, fake ass ride when he copped it. Rode the snowmobile, so I know.
You doing a wee bit of spring cleaning?
Yeah, do my work for the environment.
What's happening over here?
There's quite a lot of glass under here. I don't really fancy falling on it and needing to get some stitches. So we just sweep it away.
Good idea.
It's like kind of Cinderella cracks or like Goldilocks. Trying to find like the right one for you.
Yeah.
And like just going along going, too small, too big.
But you know, it's probably better having smaller hands, because if you want to have bigger hands, you just put more tape on. Whereas you can't make your hands smaller, you know?
Not in a good way.
No, not without some pain. So we're going to be experimenting with some social distance spotting using the broom as a hook to drag the bouldering pad along, because Kai is technically in a different household to us. So we're keeping our 2 meters distance from him, because he may have the coronavirus.
I don't know. Can't be certain.
We cannot be certain, so we're keeping our distance. This is a very good strategy.
And then you can
Who's climbing first?
Mary's ready.
Is she ready?
I'm gonna need some,
This is your moment.
I need some spotting.
Yeah, I can do.
It's like I can't quite remember what to do with my feet.
So this is actually unclimbed, Mary. This is yet to be climbed.
It's a good snug fit for me. Like the other ones are just either a wee bit too big and I'm gonna slide, or they're just like gonna be a finger crack.
What's your hardest crack before this thing?
5'8".
5'8". And now you're going to roof crack. Like a 20 meter roof crack.
Like 3 moves on it. Can't get my feet.
Come on, Mary. Come on, you can do it.
Shit. When I met her with the backpack, so
Oh, nice. Come on.
Oh man, and I'm never gonna call you like them. Why the fuck was I on you?
Come on, Mary. Oh, amazing. Keep it going. Look at that core strength.
I wanna forget you. I wanted to leave you.
Wow, come on.
The action, but you want me to up and leave. Hey, you want me to leave my scene.
So solid.
Man, I'll never do that. Staying true to myself and the gentleman's back, but nothing is realer to me.
It's a really cool way of doing this problem. Come on, Mary, keep fighting. Come on, keep fighting it.
But I wanna be that guy for you. I wanna be that guy for me. I wanna be the top of this shit, the Mount Olympus.
Nice, man, come on.
District, but I don't really care, I don't really fair. I'm just trying to be
Come on,
better.
you got this.
Ride together, right or wrong, right in town,
Come on,
dance
man.
right to this song. But
Keep fighting.
this is crazy, I'm rocking up, and everybody get me popping it off. Giving raps, motherfuckers really want.
Oh, nice.
It's like widening out there.
That was really good effort. Holy
Cheers.
crap. That was really funny. Like, I didn't think that was going to work with your feet over there.
It was like a bit easier because it was like good for my hands there, but I just couldn't get my shoe in. But like that one's a wee bit wider, so I can like jam my toe in and kind of cam it in.
Yeah. That's interesting. Guys, I think we found like the best crag in Edinburgh.
I agree,
Utopia.
There's so much potential.
Just exploring all this untapped potential. It's ridiculous.
Alright, go from the other side. Push it. Push it. Go from the other side.
I don't really give a fuck, but you lead the weapon. Let's go.
Go on. Come on, Kai. Go on, Kai. Keep it going, man. Keep it going.
Goddamn, what the fuck are we doing?
Come on,
We always
dude.
try and talk, but we never pursue it. 'Cause we
Nice.
just suck.
That goes on the
We-
bicep, man.
Were you getting the burn in there?
Yeah, in here.
Sick.
Sick.
Hey. Bad bitches on my dick now. Come back when I'm rolling from a hit now. Goddamn, when I'm really gonna call you. We gon' talk, everybody wanna vote you. Shit, but I ain't on the stereo waves. Understand all my people really wanna get paid, but they not really so wrong. Not digging the song, set tripping the wrong, and they wanna get lost. Hey, writing the riddle, taking it slow though. Forming it right, cause it's cutthroat. Industry shit, I don't care. You all fucking fake losers that ain't going nowhere. But I'm like super sane, hey. I'm just hallucinating, hey. I don't wanna fake it. What kind of sick thoughts are you relaying? But Batmobiles we ride. We demonstrated talent, then we contemplate. We contemplate all the fucking hate in our hearts. I don't ever show love when you playing the part of a savage beast. My heart just bleeds. Tokyo nighttime when the future's bleak. And I'm not really gonna care, not really gonna stare. I'm just aiming for the top and I'm always unfair. But really gonna fuck up shit when I fly.
Come on.
Really wet your jaw sometimes in my mind. Let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami
come on.
now. Let's really go run the whole town. But
Oh, Jesus.
yeah, we don't lie. Yeah, we snort drugs sometimes. Damn, let me feel you one time. Hey. Let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's party all night if you're down.
Hey. Woke up in the morning, grab my passport, train to the city, then a ferry in the harbour. Sightseeing with the Europeans on the dance floor. Counting on my blessings, man, what more can I ask for? Headed to the airport, planes ready, confetti when I enter, but I'm here to stay. But ignore what the gang with me, cause I'm gonna come up and I love it if my day ones came with me. They ain't ready, yeah. Play Miami, Will Smith, party vibes in the summertime, your boy feel lit. Naughtiness is everywhere, your boy feel sick. So to check my pulse when I base on my But tell him I ain't giving any tips. They can go and get changed at the end of this shift. And tell him we can meet up on the weekend, pumping Biggie on the speakers at the Fina by the beachfront. Every day a holiday now. When I make plans, I just live day to day now. One flame hits me up like, where you stay now? Bitch, sit down, I got nothing to say now.
Nice, come on.
Way too focused on that better life. Ain't no drama for your mama, how's your appetite? Let's go to dinner, just forget about them other guys. It's you and I making waves on this Miami night, hey.
Really gonna fuck up shit when I fly. Really wet your jaw sometimes in my mind. Let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's really go run the whole town. But yeah, we don't lie. Yeah, we snort drugs sometimes. Damn, let me feel you one time. Hey, let's go to Miami now.
Yes! Oh! Fucking hell! Oh my god!
That was sick.
Yes!
Oh, nice.
That was so hard. I kind of felt like I had to touch the end.
Yeah,
That was a goal. So that's really raw right there.
Wait, let's have a close look.
It's just like, it doesn't look that bad, but it's just super raw there. So I just managed to send my project, which I'm flipping psyched about. Yes! But this is where I finished it. Just here. And I'm going to name the climb after the fine graffiti that we have written on the wall, which is Pablo Smoke Crack. The Pablo Smoke Crack. Crack. Such a great name. The Pablo Smoke Crack.
fuck's sake. So after seeing Robbie's bridge shenanigans in Edinburgh and going on the hunt here in Cork, the shortcomings have not been very good. You'll see, to be fair now, this first bit of wall, actually no, that's bullshit. It's just shit, like, shit. There's a bit of an edge to it, it's filthy. I need a fucking power hose to wash it down. And to be fair, there's cracks up there. They're about a quarter the size of a child's finger, I'd say. Not fucking fitting anything. Sure, I brought the shoes, I'll throw them on and break my ankle anyway and see what the crack is. That went about as good as I thought it would. All the holes started breaking. I looked down and realised there was loads of glass under me. And I actually nearly fell. Yeah, fuck that.
I mean, you could literally just try like linking loads of different moves, you know, like finger lock into
I just don't know how.
off width.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to like do a finger lock there without.
I would be very scared to do anything.
Oh, there. Holy shit. Yeah.
Wait, let's have a look.
Oh yeah, you can definitely. Oh my god, that's so sick. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna totally go for that. I reckon it's just like.
Yeah, for a transition or something.
Just here, isn't it?
Just for like practicing going between moves, it's really awesome.
Oh, right here. I need to get the chalk. Is anyone chalk?
Yeah.
Nice, Robbie, come on.
Oh, Jesus. I think I could do that though. I was like, ah. Oh, jeez.
Yes, go on.
Yes, come on.
Go on.
Keep it going, Mary. Just fight it. Toes coming out. Arse. Jesus, ow.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. So this is the finger lock crux here. It's like come from this here into this finger lock, slap out to here, and I was struggling a little bit trying to figure out how to transition from here to here, from here to here, and I think I've just figured it out. So when you get your hand in there, your finger locks over there, you come into this, And then you do that. Ouch. God, that's sore. Oh, painful. That's it. Look, you solid. Come on, Mark. Keep bowing. Keep bowing. Come on. Come on, Mark. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Come on, Mark. Ah, good effort.
Oh.
Boom.
Cheers.
That was really good.
Oh.
Good. You went so far. All the way from over
I think
there.
that's the longest I've done on it.
Yeah.
Come on, try hard. Nice, you got this. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Nice, come on. Nice, come on, hold it, hold it. Yes, come on. Oh, yes.
Oh, I touched the ground. That was it. Ah, that was it. I know I can do that. Fuck, I just skimmed the ground.
You skimmed the mat.
I skimmed the mat.
It was only because I lifted the mat.
Was it?
Well, because I lifted it to move it.
Bitch! Bitch! Slap! 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 How dare you take away my climb? I have the power!